Remember that time that Umar radiallahu anhu followed Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu out when he was the Khalifa and he found him serving an old woman? Look at what that did to him. 𝗟𝗏 ibn 𝗟𝗏𝗡 radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he said, one time I saw Umar radiallahu anhu leaving his house late at night, and he kept on going to the same house on the outskirts of Medina. It's almost an identical story, by the way. And he said, so I got curious, so I followed him one night to see which house, why he keeps on going to this particular house. So he said, I went there, and in the morning, when Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu left, I went inside and I saw an old woman. I knocked on the door and an old woman answered, and she had a disability and she was also blind. And I asked her, I said, who is that man that comes to you? And she said, he's a man who just likes to do, subhanAllah, he never even told her he was the Khalifa. He's a man who likes to do khair, he's a man who likes to do good. He comes out, he cooks for me every day, he cleans my house, and then he leaves. SubhanAllah. Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, 𝗟𝗏 radiallahu anhu says, how long has he been coming to you? She said, for years. Years. SubhanAllah. Years. The man who is the most powerful man in the world and now commands the responsibility of almost every major city in the world, for years he was making it a point to come out to my house and to cook for me and to clean. And he never even once bothered to say to her that he was Amir al-Mu'mineen.